So, Redmi K70 Ultra waterproof test. Oh, okay. It's waterproof, so no worries about it. Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So, this is the Redmi K70 Ultra. So in this video, let's unbox and see the Ultra part from this Redmi K70. Let's get started. Alright, first unboxing Redmi Ultra K70. Already powered by Sami HyperOS. Ooh. So, on the first layer, we have the pin, some paperwork, and the phone case. It's a very simple one, but better than those transparent one, right? And under that, we have, yes, you're right, it's 120 watts fast charger and Type-A to Type-C, and that is basically what's in the box. And now let's just move to the phone, and that is the back panel of the Redmi K70 Ultra. The camera module, there's a fake one that's housing the flash. Okay, for other specs, we just list on the screen. So on top, infrared blaster, continuous mic, volume rocker, power key. At the bottom, speaker, Type-C, and SIM card tray. If you're wondering about the difference between the K70 Ultra and the K70, here you go. This is the back, and my first glance is that for the Ultra, the camera module, the lens seems like this kind of a square, rounded square, not like this totally round on the K70. A 50 megapixel OIS AI camera, the same. Alright, and this is the top. Slightly curved screen, and on the K70 Ultra, it has this kind of pattern on the power key, so when you feel it feels more comfortable. And basically that's the design. Okay, you can see the screen, the difference. So, what about the screen? As Xiaomi claims, it has the best viewing screen for such budget phones, like the black border, the full black border, almost the same. The bottom border just slightly wider than the other three, so it would give you a really good viewing experience. Wow, so the display should be the highest. Wow, it's hot. I can tell you it's hot. Oh, ooh. So 1.8 million, and yeah, it's hot. It's hot. Highest temperature 47.5. Yeah. It seems not that high because this is a prototype, and still there are lots of things to optimize, I guess. More specs about it here. Okay, 10 times zoom. This is bad. You see the purple ring here, and let's check portrait. So video, when the HDR disabled, it supports 8K, 30, and 24. Oh, it seems they had fun. There are lots of kids that are having fun. It's waterproof. Waterproof. That's all right. Video zoom, as some of you guys want to know. So 2, 3, and 6 times zoom. It looks like really bad. Photo, portrait. For the front camera, it supports up to 1080, 30. seems like lots of. Yeah, it's a budget phone. You have to know. Now to the part you guys like the most. Alright, that is the unboxing and quick hands-on of the Redmi K70 Ultra. Do you think it's live up to its fame? Obviously, from my view, I think the camera performance is not that great, but you know the hardware performance, as I've seen lots of reviews from other tech channels, the performance, the hardware performance, the gaming performance is really good. I don't have time to test that because you know this is a demo machine, not finalized yet. Also, the screen is good, and especially the price, despite all the rising costs, as Sami said in the launch event, but it still remains the same price as its last K70 Ultra. So if you don't have it, if you want an Ultra phone that has the best price, this one is the one to go. This is the one to go. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.